Hi, sir.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Global Energy Parliament for their kind invitation to attend their sessions on the 9th and 10th of December. Due to the fact that Sri Lankan budget proposals are being debated in the Parliament during this period, I regret very much my inability to be present on this very special occasion. However, I consider it my duty to send my warmest felicitations and best wishes for the success of these deliberations. Citizens are actively engaged in all branches of study and all professions, working to build better solutions for living in this planet. The governments are working overtime to solve the plethora of problems facing society. But somehow the problems seem to go on multiplying. The Global Energy Parliament is a parliament of volunteers who aim to scientifically examine the root of global problems and rectify them, ensuring true sustainability. Through the democratic approach, the Global Energy Parliament trains young people and citizens to think and act in a new way. It erases boundaries of nations, of self and other inputs, everyone on a level playing field as human citizens of one planet. The GEP builds consensus and dialogue rather than factions and divisions. The underlying philosophy is inclusiveness and the great tradition of a global brotherhood. This parliament has representation at the global, national, regional and local levels. A student and a women's parliament are also a part of it. Past sessions have been held on habitat, harmony, sustainable economics, total education, art of governance, peace in humans, sound energy and new pathways to health. The last GP was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of Sri Lanka, Ranil Wickremesinghe, at Temple Trees, Colombo. The 8th Global Energy Parliament is being organized at the historical National Monument, Kerala State Assembly Hall in Thiruvananthapuram on December 9th and 10th, 2017. Members of Parliament from several countries and especially youth members are gathering to discuss science for freedom and happiness. A growing number of people in the world, especially in the fast-paced developing countries, aren't as happy as they think they should be. The GDP is now being replaced in many places as the indicator of success. Well-being, life satisfaction, happiness are now equally important. This 8th session of Parliament aims to arrive at a consensus on the definition of happiness and to explore what the role of science should be in creating a true and abiding happiness and freedom for all. His Holiness Swami's I theory, a scientific theory of everything, enables the GP to approach its topic from the angle of energy, balance, consciousness and sustainability. I take this opportunity to extend the best wishes for the success of this very valuable seminar.